Hello, dear viewers of Awanik TV. It is with immense joy and pride that I stand before you today as the director of this incredible channel on this auspicious occasion. On behalf of the entire Awanik TV family.
All right. Okay, let me share my screen shortly. Don't share my entire screen. Okay. Let me hope you can see my screen now. All right. So now we're going to start from the process of getting data from OpenStreetMap using this tool, QuickOSM. I already have some data here, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to start a fresh project. So you will click on this tool, just like I told you last time. It's loading. It will open up. Yeah. Okay. It has opened here. All right. I've opened these things so many. Okay. So now here, what you're going to do is you're going to query up data. We're going to enter our key, which is we first want to get the roads. We're going to enter highway. It has to be in small letters. Then the value will be, let's first query out primary highways. Then we shall come for secondary later on. Okay. I'm just going to minimize this. And then I'm going to say in Kampala. All right. I'll run my query. Okay, successfully. All right. I'm going to add. Let me remove this. I also add another one. Highway. You can query them once just by adding. You can add here, but I just want to do them one by one. Highway equals to, that was primary, so I'm going to go for secondary. And then again, still remains in Kampala, and then run my query. Okay, that is successfully. All right, I'm going to run again. Now this time around, I want to get now the what? Schools. Amenity equals to schools. Okay, still in Kampala, and then run my query. I know there are so many schools in Kampala. There are really so many. Okay, that is also successfully. Okay, let's also try another one. Amenity equals to hospitals. So it's running. All right, successfully I can close this. Then I'm going to go back to my okay. All right, let me go back. So this is now my data. Hello. Eh, eh, mangabon ma tana mbata jawara chawa. Mm, okay. Mm, oh, ada lah. Mm, ya ya. Makam cara sih. Ya ya. Okay. All right. Okay. Sorry. Uh, all right. Let's move to. Um, okay, we have our data here. This highway equal to secondary. I'm seeing some highways in points. So I'm just going to remove these ones, highways in points. Oh, Lara, you had gone off.
I see what you know.
Hey,
Mm-hmm.
sorry. Wait, I'll finish the recording. Recording. Oh, I'd gone off because of the call. Sorry. Okay, let me share my screen again. Sorry. All right. Okay, so this is the result of our data that we have been querying from QuickOSM. So now we also need now we have our road, we have schools, there's amenity equals to school, highway. I also see some highways in highway primary in form of points, but we don't need them in form of points. We have schools. So there are also some schools that are in form of polygons. Let me see, we can convert them, but some of them they do exist in points.
Now, those ones in points and those ones in polygons, are they of the same category?
Yeah, they are the same. In OSM, someone can decide to map us to polygon form by mapping the area around it. Someone can also decide to map only to points. So that's why some of them are coming up in form of polygons, some are coming up in points.
Mm.
All right. Okay. So now we're going to convert these schools that are mapped in, let me say, in form of polygons to points. So by doing that, I will click on the on the layer of amenity equals to school, which is the polygon, and then I go to vector. I'll go to geometry tools, cross to centroids. So it will open up for me this. Let me also show this somewhere. It might confuse you. centers. Oh, I wanted to show it. Yeah. Okay. All right. I know in the recording it will not show this one. It's not going to show this. But what you will do is you will click on these three dots, and then you click to save. Then you will choose your file location where you want to save them. I'm going to save them under documents. I will just name this as schools in Kampala. Then click OK and then run. Okay, that is done. I will close it. So you can now see these polygons we have created for them points already. So I will just click on here. So we have our point here. There's also amenity equals to hospital, which is also in form of polygon. We still also want to convert these to points, and then I'll go to vector. Geometry equals tool, I cross to centers, save to file. Okay, here I'm just going to enter, also save it as hospitals in Kampala. Alright, I'll save. After saving, and then run and close. Okay, and then I also uncheck this. You can as well delete them. These now polygons. I'll remove them. Okay. This one I will also remove. Alright, I have hospital now. I have now hospitals, schools. I have now there's highway, yeah. Okay, so now here, what next is let me reply this. Okay, so now what next is we are going to do some styling. Okay, all right. So now we have points, highways. I'm just going to remove these other highways which are in point form. I will remove. Okay. All right, let's start by now. Okay, before we go there, let's first get now a boundary of what Kampala. Yeah, let's first get a boundary of Kampala. I'm going to open up a new browser. I will type in OSM boundaries. I want to get now the boundary of Kampala, like I don't have in my PC. So if it's your first time to use the site, you're going to enter.
Yeah, first mate, you mean you cannot develop the boundaries within?
Just to develop from here.
Mm.
You want to get now the exact boundary, because drawing it from here, you might draw a wrong boundary. You want to get the real one.
Now you mean all places that have boundaries, have they demarcated the boundaries of some
Yeah,
towards Kampala?
in OpenStreetMap, Uganda is fully mapped boundary at the district, county, second class level. I do have a data for all that, but I just want to show you a way that you can download it. So you're going to authenticate this. It's just a matter of logging in with your OpenStreetMap account credentials. So, all right, I'm just going to grant permission here. It will open for me this map, and I will search for Uganda. Yes, here. Then click here. Click on the drop down arrow, and then again I'm going to search for Kampala. Okay, there's Kampala district and there's Kampala. Let me first see from the. Let me add OpenStreetMap background. Oh, that was Kampala district. Okay, it's here. Alright, I'll go ahead and scroll down and then download this. And then click on download. Okay, it's here. It's downloaded. Then I'll click on this. Yes. Yes, please. Hi. Wait. Somehow busy. Look for Isaiah. Okay, I'm going to drop this here. My boundary is already here. So now, the road is the boundary is blocking the road. I have to drag the boundary and then let it appear down here. The roads and other data they have to be on top of the boundary. So now I'm going to first design this boundary by double clicking on it. I go to symbology. I want to give it a color somewhere. Okay, somewhere here. Something like light gray. Alright. So now, here I'm going to remove this. So there are so many that are schools, hospitals. This is going to be congested. It's a lot. I'm just going to decide and do maybe select hospitals. I leave the schools. Okay. So this is it. So I'm going to highway, primary, highway. There are two secondaries, I wonder. Oh, that's going to remove this. Um, okay. So now let me increase. I'm going to increase now the what? The stroke width of this boundary. At least, yeah, at least there. Then I apply. Before applying, I'm just going to get the name, which is enter labels. And I will select here name, yeah, which is okay. Maybe under text, I'll choose here. I want it to be in red. Maybe increase the size there, and then apply and say okay. All right. Oh, did I delete highway equals to primary? I have primary here, but they look very few. Anyway, I'll fix this. Okay, so now I made it equals to hospital. All right, let me first get out their names, their labels by double clicking on this. I select single labels. I go to text. This time around, I want them to be in blue, not really too, at least light blue. That is the label. I increase the size and apply and say okay. So here there are only two, but there's still more here. Or I can just, what I do is, if you have done it with the other one, I will just copy the styles here by right clicking and go to style. Yes, please. Copy. Okay. And then I will copy all the styles. I also apply it on the same with this one. Amenities, go to hospitals. And then paste. I will paste all style categories. So now, okay, there's something which is wrong with this one. Supposed to be name. The value is supposed to be name. I'm still looking for name. Yeah, it's down here. And then apply and say okay. Yeah, cool. All right. Also copy all these styles. Copy the style and then paste it on this one. Okay. Yeah. So now, from here I can add OpenStreetMap background, and then I will reduce the gamma. Maybe up to 50 there. Then apply. Okay. So now this boundary, I will double click on it. Not really this one. Symbology. I want to reduce the opacity a bit. Apply and say okay. All right. So now the next thing is I want to change all right. Yeah, I want to change now the icon of this. What I will do is I will double click on this layer, and then select on this symbol marker, and then also down here simple marker, select on SVG marker. Okay, and then I'll scroll down here. This is where I will get the icons, and then I will search for hospitals. Alright, I'm going to use this amenity equals hospital, apply, then say okay. Some of the signs have changed, but still the icon is still very small. I'm just going to increase it up to 4 there. Apply and say okay. Alright. So I will copy. Then first design the labels a bit. I want to put the buffer, then click on draw text buffer. The buffer color is this. That's going to move it somehow to gray, and then increase the buffer size. That's okay. Then apply, say okay. Some of them they have changed. That's going to copy this style, copy all category, and then come and paste it on this style, paste all categories. Alright. So now for the roads, we're going to do these roads again. We're going to download them again. I want to delete these roads. Remove. Even these schools I'm going to remove. Alright. Okay. Is family doctors, case clinic. Let me see if alright. So now we need roads. We're going to follow the same process. We're going to query, this is highway equals to primary in Kampala, and then let me query them once. I also put highway equals to, this is now secondary. I'm going to run this query. Okay, successfully. I'm only seeing one, I don't know why. Let me run this again and see. Okay. Alright, we have our roads here. So we're going to style up the roads a bit. This is highway secondary. Then highway primary is here. These ones in form of points, I'm just going to remove them. Alright. Okay. Highway equals to Okay. You will double click on this and then go to symbology, select the line. I'll change the size, the width size. I'll increase it to maybe 8 there. That will be too big, too wide. Let me leave it on 6. Maybe the color, I want to give it something like this, and then click apply. First move, go and see. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, yes, Simon, you are most welcome. Though you joined a bit late, that's okay. All right, I'm still taking Gloria. In this process, may I know you know this process now? Okay. All right. So now here we have boundary, we have our road. So now this road, let's find out if they have a name. Just going to double click on it.
But
Let's
before, what is before? Let's go back to the map.
okay. Let me close it.
Uh, there are some hospitals that are not that, like for example, where you see St. Kizito,
Sorry.
as if there are some roads missing. Where you see St. Kizito, as if there are some roads missing there.
Um.
Because I'm seeing them in some linear form, meaning that they're following some linearity. Is it either a road or when you look at St. Kizito, as you're
Saint.
moving upward? Mm. But
Here.
you think there is food missing? Yes.
Uh. uh it's not missing. Only that the name is crossing over the road. Let me do like this, and then I uncheck this. We see it properly. Have you seen now?
Mm.
Yeah,
That's the area there. Where you see blank space.
like this one.
Eh.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's how the roads they were mapped. Maybe the one that is connected from here up to here is not a primary or highway. It might be a
Okay.
residential road, but this one you are going up
Eh.
is just a primary.
Okay.
Yeah, the other roads, there are
Okay.
so many roads here. If you want to see
Mm.
it clearly, you just put on your OpenStreetMap, whatever, background.
Mm.
I'm just going to uncheck all this.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah. So have you seen all these their roads? Only that we
Mm.
filled very few.
Mm.
Yeah.
It is okay.
Okay, let me do this. All right. maybe I'm going to add another background. I want Google satellite. Yeah, I'm going to add it here. And it reduce the opacity down there. Sorry, it's freezing.
Hello? Hello?
Okay. Now, I want to reduce the opacity of this. Maybe up to 70. Yeah, let me leave it at 74. Okay. Apply. Save. Okay. I'm not seeing the name. Oh, save. Okay. So my QGIS is somehow freezing. Okay. So now here, oh, let me get the road name. If at all they are there, just go to authority, road table, single labels, and then I go to text. Very important here, the value has been named. Has been named. Maybe let me leave it in black. Let me just add the style content. Apply and save. Okay. If you're told they are there, they will see them. Still loading. Done. Let's see Fairview, Ring Road, Upper Road. All right. So now this map, I want us to print this map out. You will have to position it properly in a way that okay. So now this map you have to yeah. So okay, I plug my back. I'm just going to zoom in like this and then go to project. Then I'll go to new print layout. So now it will bring for me this, to require me to put the project title. I'll just say this is QGIS Open. Then click OK. So now it will open up for me this this new interface for print layout. So now this size you see here is this is a paper size. You can see them from this side. You come to item. So for the training purpose, I'm just going to leave it on A4. A4 is just this small paper size. So if you want to print it out maybe on a bigger paper, you have to go to A0. A0 is the biggest one, very big one. I will go to A0. I'm just going to leave it. Let me first see the map. How okay, this is column. Yeah, whether on portrait or on landscape, it's going to be okay. Let me change it to WhatsApp from here. Getting a lot of bring a lot of notifications. All right. So now, if you want to add the map, you have to click on Add Map, and then click on Add Map. So now you have to draw a rectangle within inside it. Then first change this to portrait. All right. So I'm just going to draw my rectangle from here, maybe up to here, and then I want to leave also some space down here for my legend. I want the legend to be outside. So you will release. So it has now rendered your map. Oh, let me change this to it's still showing the other side. Okay. So still rendering the map. Just need to give it some time. Oh yeah, cool. Our map is here. But now I need to reduce this is the scale. I want to reduce the scale of instead it's increasing. That's maybe to go to 85. Yeah, so reducing. Maybe I put to 90. Okay. All right, this is okay now. Okay, so now qualities of a good map. Good maps will have a frame. So we're going to add a frame of this. You will scroll down and then click on this add frame, and then I'll increase.
Excuse me, Morris, one mic.
Yes, please.
Hello, yes. I think this is the main point that I actually to catch very well. Adding the frame, actually, this level but not getting the frame. I don't know.
The frame.
Yes, getting the frame after adding the map.
Okay. Sorry. All right. So everything you come to add.
So when you want it,
For the frame, you don't need to come to add item. What you will do is you just scroll down here. When you click on this map inside, you have to scroll down here. You'll find other things like, let me see, where is it? Yeah, you will see everything here. If you want to add grids, overviews, position and size, rotation, frame, background, item ID. So all these things you'll find them from here. But most importantly, I'm just going to add the frame. This background, I really don't need it for now. I will uncheck it. For the map, I don't need it. So for the frame, you just scroll down from item properties when you click on the map. Maybe change the frame, whatever, to red. So now, what next is we have now the frame. We need to add the north arrow. For the north arrow, still you'll go to add item, come to north arrow, add north arrow. So you will draw it. Let me draw it somewhere here. So I have it there. I can come and select maybe north arrows from here. I want to select this. All right. Our north arrow is here. Maybe I want to change some settings. I will scroll down and its color, this white one, if you want to change this, you can select maybe blue. And then that black one, I want it to be in red. So that is done. I've already designed that. So now the next item to add is the scale bar. After clicking there, you come and draw. Normal, the scale bar is down. There. So for the scale bar, I'm going to add the background too. Maybe the frame also. And then change this to red. Increase the thickness. Alright. That's done for now. This is just for the purpose of training. But if you want to do something which is eye-catching, you can add more. You can design it in the way you want to design. So now I'm going to add now the legend. Add legend here. Where shall I add my legend? I'd left a place here. I want to add my legend down here. Okay. So now after adding it here, you come and edit it from this side. You will remove this auto update so that it will create for you space in order to edit whatever which is inside here. So I'm not going to leave everything. I will just leave this road. I want to delete this, then scroll minus even this Google satellite, remove OSM standard. I want to remove this. So instead of this boundary, I'm going to click here. I will highlight this and say this is Kampala boundary. Kampala boundary. Alright, and then go back. This amount equals to school, the point. I'll remove it. Okay. Yeah. So instead of, I'm just going to leave one. Hospitals in Kampala. I'm going to leave one. Roads. Instead, I will rename these two. Let's say roads. Okay. So, and then I will add the title here as legend. You can decide to maybe type everything in capital letters. Legend. Okay. So any change you made here, it just appear on this side. So maybe I will add a frame for this. I'll scroll down, looking for frame is here. I'll increase the thickness, maybe also add a background. Background is here. Maybe give it any color. Okay, I don't want my map to have so many colors. Just going to give it something. Yeah, there. Let me leave it there. Okay. So I have my legend. What is missing right now? Gloria and Simon, tell me now what is missing here on my map.
Have you put the campus road?
Yeah,
I think
Campus Road is here.
we are missing the title of the map.
Oh, yeah. Great. So the title will be here, and then
How about
number
the
6
campus road?
is here.
Hey,
This one. Here, we're going to add now. We're going to add now the title. For the title, if you are going to look here like you are adding title, you won't find it. Title, you add it as a label. You'll click on add label. Okay, there. So when you click there, everything you edit it on this side. So you remove this and then put in your title. I'm going to say hospitals. And just say map showing hospitals in Kampala district. Alright, so I'm going to render this as HTML, and then I will increase the font size by double clicking on it. I will increase it on this side. Okay, maybe that font is okay. Maybe the style, I'll put it on bold. Yeah, you can leave it on black and scroll down, no, go back and put it on center. Maybe close it here a bit. It's still too up. Okay, I want to move this down a bit. Alright, there. Map showing hospitals in Kampala district. So this map is actual now, almost ready to print out. So now there's something that I wanted. It's called inset. It shows this map in a bigger map. So for you to show someone where Kampala is located in Uganda, you need to have another map of Uganda pointing at this map. So now what we are going to do is we are going to lock this map so that any changes we make on the other side will not affect this side. When you click here, I'm looking for lock layers. I'm going to lock this layer, lock styles. Okay. So even if I do any other change on the other end, it won't affect here. Everything will just remain. Okay. So now we shall go back here. So I'll come back here. And then we're going to add, yeah, we are going to add, it's still freezing. Let's give it some time. Oh, okay.
Excuse me, Morris. This is boss. This is Simon.
Yes, yes,
Can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you very well.
Yes. Before we could proceed, can you repeat the process on how to lock the map so that anything we do doesn't affect what you already have in the map? Is before we take it to the bigger map of the country.
Okay, okay. All right. So now, if you want to lock this map, you just click on the map. Anything you want to lock, the map you lock. If you want to lock this legend, you also click on the legend. Then you will scroll down. Oh, I think for the legend it doesn't have locks, so it only works on the main map. So you will click on this map. After click on it, you scroll down a bit. You will see here lock layers, lock style for layers. So now these styles, even if you go there on the other side, you change the roads styles, it won't appear. It won't affect this one. So you will just click on. At first they will be like this. Definitely, I unchecked them. It has affected. That's why it has just affected it because of this side. So now when I click on this back and go here and refresh my map here, the imager will come back. Yeah, the imager has appeared. So what I will do is I will lock layers and then lock style for layers and then go back on this side. So have you now get how to lock layers and style? Is that clear now? So now I'm going to remove this, and then I will go to web, quick map service, and then I will add another background map. This time around I'm going to add Esri. I'm going to add Esri geographic. This one is not nice. I want to remove here. Add. I'll look for. I can even add OSM. Okay, and then I will uncheck these layers. Okay, all right, let me uncheck all these. Oh, I have to leave the boundary on. Okay, and then I want to remove the name of this. It won't affect on the other side because we had already locked it. The style, everything. Then say okay, and then put the whole thing in red so that someone can see. I'm going to leave it on single fill, and then select on red, apply, and so okay. Yeah, someone can see now from here. That is the point, that is the map. And then I want to reduce the stroke width of the boundary. Go here. Yeah, maybe like that. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to use what is called a snipping tool for. I'm sure most of these computers they have this tool called sniping tool. I'm going to use for sniping the map. I'll click on this. Okay, it's here. I'll click on Neo. Okay, I'm just going to snipe this map of Uganda. Maybe here. Okay, then I'll come back to it. Oh, so now copies this. Okay. For text to interact with this. Okay, I'm just going to save this. Okay, it has opened up for me here. It's saving it under screenshots. I will name this Kampala, not Kampala, Uganda. There's something like that. And then save this. Alright, I'll go back. Okay, now I'll go back to my map here. I'm going to add that other picture. I'll go to add up here and then add picture. I'll draw it somewhere here. Okay, I'm going to draw this somewhere here. All right. So now here I'm going to. I've already drawn my frame for putting the map, the other map in form of picture. Even here you can add any picture you want, whether your picture or any picture or logo you can add. You just add it in form of picture. So I will come here to raster. Instead of SVG image, I will come to raster. Then click on these three dots. It will take me to my file where I'm going to choose the file that I remember I saved it in screenshot. You also need to remember where you save it. Looking for this. I have so many screenshots. Oh, for Kampala is here. Oh, Uganda is here. Okay. Then I will click on open. So my map will be here. I'm just going to frame this to fit. Okay. All right. So I will add now also a frame for this. Scrolling down and clicking on frame. You can add, or if I want to use still red, I can use for all the frame. So now I need to point that this map is from here. It's from this place. What I will do is I will come to add item still. You can use add arrow just by pointing straight from here up to here, or else you can come to, yes, let's use add arrow. Maybe I'll just connect from here up to here. You left click and then right click. Oh, it's too big, but it's okay. I will reduce the, it's called this, yeah, I have to reduce this, even this one. Okay, I can maybe change the other one to blue. This one I want it to be in blue. Okay, you can double click on this, select here, you can change the color of this arrow. If you want it to be in blue or in any color you want. Okay, let me leave it in that, and then I just need to extend this to show where the map is, and then this somewhere there. Yeah, there I'm done. So now if you have logos, if you're working for an organization, maybe you are printing the map for an organization, what you can do is you can add the logo here. Maybe if it's a school, you can add the school logo here. Normal the logos. Oh, someone I just joined. Let me hope you were hearing me. Simon, were you getting me?
Yeah, I was getting a Morris.
Okay, okay. Gloria, I don't know
Yeah.
whether you went off a long time ago or you have just gone off.
I'm back. I'm back.
Okay, okay.
There are some ne- some network problems, but I'm back.
Okay, sorry. All right, I'll be back. So now, you can see now our map has the title, it has the scale, it has the north arrow, it has frame, it has legend. So now, if you want to add now a logo, maybe let's try to add a logo here. I will still go to add picture, and then maybe I want to add it here.
Morris, your screen is not visible. It's not visible enough. Eh?
Oh, let me maybe
Can
stop.
you hear Morris? Your screen is not visible enough.
Let me share my screen.
You feel?
Let me stop presenting and then share my screen. Let's see.
Enlarge it maybe.
Okay. You mean the other screen of this one? Can you see now the screen of this map?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible now. Yes.
Okay. So now, just like I said, if you want to add a logo, you still go to add item and then add picture. So in this, you can even add anything, any picture, whether being logo or your picture yourself. So I'm going to click on this, still go to raster, and then click on these three dots. I'll locate where the files they are. I know they were under downloads. I can't remember their names. I think I want to add maybe to. So these logos, they are these are sometimes now the sponsors, people who sponsor the project, the donors. You can add them here. Like if you get a project which is sponsored by maybe UN, you can add the logo of UN here. Yeah, and then plus your own logo of your organization. If it's founded by the project is founded by maybe government of Uganda, you can add the court of law. Yeah, this coat of arm you can add it rather. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to add another picture. Go to select raster image, click on these three dots, and then I'll select um, um what is it I'll select in CUG. So be awesome. I can't remember how I saved it. Okay, let me just get it maybe quick on internet. Yeah, I wanted maybe let me get this or one of these. I'll just save it. OSM logo. Alright, so I will come back here and then select this, select the three dots. It will take me to the file. I will select my file here and then click OK. Then you can adjust this. Okay, I want to drag this maybe and put somewhere here. Then this one somewhere here. Alright, so I'm ready to print this map out. And then we shall see now the product. So now before you print this, you really need to come this side and save this everything. I'll click this back on this one. I'll still come back and select, I know it was somewhere here. And then increase the stroke width up to there. And then get the label. Red and apply and say OK. Alright. It was Google satellite. The roads are missing. Okay. Yeah. So now we're going to first save this project so that we don't want to lose them again. I will come to project and then save as. Maybe here I'll say hospitals in Kampala. And then I'll click on save. So I've saved my project. So now, and also these files, I need to save them. I need to save them. Most space are the one that I ticked. Let me try to save them multiple and see if they can be saved. Save as. I will locate the file. On the desktop, maybe said hospitals and roads in Kampala. Alright, and then I'll save this, and then the file format has to be JSON. Where is it? It's here. Okay, and then click OK. It's still saving. Alright, that is done. Yes, that is done. What next? What next? What next? So now, we can also come and save this template, this our map as a template, by going to layout and then save as template. Where is it? It's here. You click on this. I'll come here and say hospitals. If you don't save your work, you're going to lose it. Hospitals. Hospitals in Kampala. Okay, I'll save this. I'm going to leave the format as it is, and then save. Okay. All right. So now, what is remaining is for you to print this map out on a paper. I'm just going to print it not on paper. I will print it out, export it out. Yeah, I'm going to export this so that maybe I can take it for printing in the printer. Yeah. So I'll still go to layout, export as image. You can also export as PDF, but let's first try. Let's first do exporting as image. To just bring you this, and then you close this. So this is where I want to save it. I'm going to say I can leave it QGIS training, but let me name it Kampala Hospitals. Okay, the file format is going to be as PNG. Where I save it under documents. Okay, let's go to click here and save. So it's now exporting the map. It's right now exporting the map. So okay, our map has been exported as image, but let's go ahead and export as PDF also. I'm going to say it's in local disk. See, let me save them all under documents. Kampala. hospital, and then save, apply, save. Okay, so that is it. If you click on this link, it will take you to the file where it has saved. The other one was where hospitals. It's this one, then the other one is here. The picture is here, and then the PDF is here. Let's open up a PDF, or let's first start with the picture. When you click on this picture, okay. All right. So our map is here. You can zoom in and zoom out to see. Yeah, this is just something very simple we have done now. So if you need any data, you can let me know. I can just provide you with the data. If you need roads in which district, I will provide you. In fact, the process I already saw it somewhere. If you want a boundary, you go to OSM boundary. You can download from there. Yeah, that is it. So this time around, let me welcome questions now.